If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. And today I'm going to be making waffles, and they are not just any plain simple chocolate chip waffles or blueberry waffles. Well, I love those waffles also, but today's waffle is going to be savory, and it's going to have a slight kick of spiciness from green chilies and paprika and kind of chili flakes and all that stuff. So if you are a waffle lover and you love to experiment waffles, like making it with different ingredients, we are gonna get along so much together because I love that too. I am gonna present you this dish today, which has very different ingredients, and I'm gonna make waffle out of it. So let me just start and show you all the ingredients. They are super simple. And also, if you want the exact ingredient and description of this recipe, you can check the description box below for the link, and you can go to my website and check it out. So let me start with the ingredients. I have some finely chopped red onion, some cilantro, these are fresh cilantro, one egg for binding, and some green chilies. You can also substitute with jalapeno pepper or totally skip green chili if you don't like it spicy. And for spices, I have some chili flakes, some garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you like. You're gonna need a waffle maker. And in this bowl, I have some cottage cheese, also known as paneer, and I have some boiled potatoes that I just mashed. So these are all the ingredients you'll be needing to make this waffle. So let's get started. Okay, my waffle is ready. I have preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's ready to make waffles. But first, let me mix up all the ingredients in here. Let me just give it a good mix to my potatoes and cottage cheese. This is homemade cottage cheese that I'm using. You can use the store-bought one or whatever you like. And to this, I'm going to add chopped onion. I can absolutely imagine how tasty and delicious it's going to be. I'm going to add cilantro, green chilies, and I think I took a smaller bowl. Go ahead and use a big bowl. Don't do something like me. And to this, now I'm going to be adding one whole egg over here. And you want to mix this properly, and once I'm done mixing, I'll show it to you then. Okay, I'm done mixing, and I switched to a bigger bowl because it was getting very difficult to mix it. And I also switched to a spatula right here. You can also use a spatula, that's going to be more comfortable. And now, let's go ahead and add all the spices. Okay, first of all, let's add the chili flakes, salt, garlic powder. Oops. Yeah, and black pepper. It is already smelling so good. And one more thing, if you are vegan and you want to make this in a vegan way, just remove the egg and you can use flax seed instead of that. Like, just take a tablespoon of flax seed, add a little bit of water, like a tablespoon of water, give it a good mix, let it sit for like 5 minutes, and then you can add the flaxseed in here for a good binding. So I'm done mixing this, and let's start making waffles. First of all, I'm just going to spray a little bit of avocado oil. And this is in 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray it on both sides. And take a little bit of a mixture. Don't overfill it, otherwise it's just going to come out from all sides. So I placed like 4 big, like a spoonful of this thing, and you can just adjust it according to your waffle size. And now I'm just gonna close it and let the waffle do the magic. And I'll show it to you once they're done. So I'm taking them out here in a plate for now and make 2 more waffles. Oh my god, they look so delicious and they're super crispy. You can see they're not breaking or falling or anything like that. And once I'm done making like 2 more waffles, I'm gonna plate it and show it to you how you want to present it and how it looks, and we'll do the tasting then. Okay guys, so while my 2 waffles are making, I couldn't wait because I already have 4 waffles ready here. So let's dig in and taste them. My god, first of all, you want to have a good look at them. They look so delicious. You hear that? It's crispy. So let me take a bite. Oh my god, I can actually feel the crisp. Dip it in some tomato sauce. Oh my god, you don't even know how good this is. You have to go to your kitchen right now and make this recipe. It is an excellent appetizer, excellent lunch, excellent dinner, excellent snacks, whatever you want to call it. It is so good, so good. Oh my god, I'm sure Maya is gonna love it when he tastes it. Anyways guys, this was the recipe for today. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like them. If you like the dishes, don't forget to like my recipes, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Bye bye.